Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So this is, I think, the last regular grocery haul for 2022. So I basically just got a few fresh things and replaced some meat that I used, and got some bread because we're about out of bread. And yeah, so let's get into it. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a comer backer, please like and comment. And yeah, so this haul cost $92.17. So we'll start out with the eggs. These are the Nellie's eggs, and they were $2.49. All these meats were about $5 a package. I got another package of the bacon ends and pieces, and these are actually pretty big pieces when you unravel the ball. I got some chorizo because I used chorizo in my husband's breakfast this week, so this is just to replace that. I got some pork chops, and I got some Italian sausage because I want to can some zuppa Toscano soup and put that on the shelf. I got some cream cheese. I smashed the box a little bit, but got that. I got these blueberries. They were $2.75. I got some Swiss cheese, and I can't remember how much it was. I think it was 3 something. I got some yellow squash and zucchini, and it was $3.57. I got some Bragg's liquid aminos. This is like soy sauce, but non-GMO and all that stuff, and it was $5. I got a box of popcorn, and it was 99 cents. I got this big box of Reese's, it's the family size, Reese's Puffs Bats, and I think it was cheap because it's on sale from Halloween, and it was $3.06. I got a bag of mini bagels, and they were $4. I got a loaf of the sourdough torpedo bread. It was also $4. I got another bag of the salt and vinegar Uglies chips, and they were $2.49. And another bag of these organic nacho chips. These are really good actually, and they were $2.55. I got a box of the sugar cookie mix. It was $2. I got 3 heads of romaine lettuce, and it was $3.52. I got these whole peeled tomatoes. I think this was $2, kind of expensive for tomatoes. I got some fresh ginger because I'm going to make fire cider. So I have my horseradish, my turmeric, ginger, and I got some chicken noodle soup. This was I think $4.59 for the chicken noodle soup. So, and that's everything. Not a big haul, nothing major. I've been doing everything to get ready for the storm. I don't know if this will come out before Thursday. Thursday's when it's supposed to hit, and they're not real sure exactly if we're going to have rain. If we get rain, that'll be ice or snow. It's supposed to have wind. They really haven't confirmed anything, to be honest. So we shall see what the weather brings. So I've been preparing for that with getting lighting, the batteries and everything. Got the Mr. Buddy ready. Tomorrow I'm going to stack the wood on the new wood holder that we have for the fireplace. Keeping the dishes washed, laundry washed, you know, the towels, things like that. And then I want to strip my bed tomorrow, get it all washed, and just have everything clean so we don't have anything piling up just in case there's an issue with power. We've wrapped up our faucets really well, like triple, quadrupled, wrapped those on the outside, keeping the cabinets open, the water dripping, because at night it's below freezing still. It just hasn't gotten to the gnarly cold yet. And then like Thursday, it keeps going all over the place every time I check the forecast, so I don't know exactly what's going to happen Thursday. But I think that's when most of us are fixing to get hit, is Thursday. So yeah, wood, pipes, dishes, laundry, what else? Just all the things, lighting. Oh, I need to bring in the, which I'll be doing a video tomorrow on water and cooking. And I did a recipe tonight for shtf, like a pantry recipe. I did a video for that. And I'll be doing a video on water and cooking. You know what to cook on. You want to set up a cooking area. If you haven't done that, well, you won't see this until after, but yeah. So anyways, this is the last of the fresh food. All we need is some celery. We were looking for turkeys were $6.99 a pound at the grocery store we went to today, so that was a big no. We were looking for prime ribs. They were over $100. We found a small one today for a reasonable price, so we got that, but I still need celery and green onion, and tomorrow is the last day that we'll be going to the store, and then I'll have everything for Christmas dinner, and then we're not leaving. We're in the house for the duration until this is over. So hopefully you guys don't have to be out in this, traveling for any reason. I know Christmas is coming up, so hopefully you're where you need to be now. And yeah, it's gonna be a real interesting Christmas, isn't it? I just don't even know what to say about it. So anyways, this is my last haul for the year. I have a prepper pantry haul that I need to do, get unpacked and sorted, but I was gonna do this, put it away, so I thought I'd shoot out a video. I hope you all are doing well. You stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.